Brainwave-JCP, alias Joël Caserus, is happy to introduce you to ChatterPAL, a smart bot using 3D or human avatars, using AI and lip synchronization technology and human voice synthesis. Brainwave-JCP, to be able to move to a higher stage by installing ChatterPAL on its own websites and blogs, to be able to improve its communication, as well as to offer visitors new, user experiences in interactivity. Next-gen smart chat automation and realistic 3D animation. Leveraging the power of AI, cutting-edge text-to-speech, instant translation, 3D animation, and lip-syncing technologies. Engage and capture attention with interactive 3D avatars and text-to-speech. 3D avatars will communicate with your visitors 24/7 and engage them. He can speak several languages, coming soon. Discover and watch ChatterPAL in action on my various websites and blogs.